Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make my account private in Instagram. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Instagram and I would like to turn my account into private. To be able to do that, simply select your profile over here on the bottom right. By doing this, you will be able to see this section over here, or rather this is the section that you're supposed to see your profile. Then you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the top right, which is the 3 lines. And you would see what we saw earlier, basically the settings and activity. Over here on who can see your content section, you have account privacy. So if you open this and if it is enabled, your account is currently in private mode, meaning only those who followed you and you are following are able to view your content and anything about your account. But if it is in public, anyone who would like to visit your profile will be able to view and interact with your content. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.